In the scope and sequence for grades 7 and 8, under the first learning block for number, you will find a link to the resources to support documents. In this document, you will find a variety of references to digital and physical resources to support the teaching and learning of rational and irrational numbers. These three resources can be found in your school. The Resources to Support page provides the relevant sections in the Open Questions book and the Leaps and Bounds books that support your planning for this block of learning on rational and irrational numbers, as well as the names of specific activities using manipulatives in the SuperSource series of books. Links to digital activities and resources are also provided in the Resources to Support pages. The rest of this video will highlight one digital resource, CEMC, or the Center for Education and Mathematics Computing, Open Courseware, developed by the University of Waterloo. The CEMC courseware materials include video lessons, interactive activities, enrichment challenges, and the opportunity for purposeful practice with feedback. The courseware is online, free to use, and does not require registration. It covers topics typically taught in Canadian grade 7 and 8 math and may extend beyond. As you can see, there are several lessons related to the number expectations in the first block of learning in this scope and sequence. To find them, just click on the link in the scope and sequence. The link takes you to the top level of the courseware. From there, click on grade 7 and 8 mathematics. Now you will see the list of units in a navigation pane on the left of the screen. For the first block of learning in number, for both grades 7 and 8, we are interested in the unit representing and comparing numbers. Let's go deeper into the second lesson, representing rational numbers on the number line, to explore the lesson structure and resources found in this tool. Every lesson has a watch section, a review section, and a practice section. The watch section contains video presentations. The first video presentation is called Try This. It contains the motivation for the lesson as well as the learning goal, for example, examine how to represent rational numbers on the number line, as well as an activation question. For example, plot the following three numbers on the number line, 15, 21, 67. As you do this, consider the following questions. How close should the numbers be? And is one pair of numbers closer than the other pair? The rest of the video presentations contain short videos up to 5 minutes long, which introduce the content. The number line, representing proper fractions, plotting proper fractions on the number line, mixed numbers on the number line. Each of these videos also includes interactive practice questions. For example, this interactive digital question is asking students to partition the number line into equal parts and then to plot the mixed number in the correct spot by dragging the triangle to the number line. Students can get feedback by clicking the How Did I Do button, or try more practice questions by clicking the Try Another button. Lessons may also include a Take It With You question for students to work on before moving to the review and practice part of the lesson. In the review section, you will find a selection of the quiz questions from the video presentations. Each question provides immediate feedback on the answer given by the student. In the practice section, you will find a list of exercises along with answers and solutions. These exercises test a deeper understanding than the review questions. Note that these exercises are in text format and are not interactive. How you use this particular tool, and if you use this particular tool, will depend on the needs of your needs as well as the needs of your students. A few suggestions of how you can use it. It's possible to navigate to the specific lesson, video, or even practice question you want to share with your students. Each has a unique URL, so you can grab the specific links and share with your students. Links can be shared through Google Classroom, email, in a document, or whatever delivery method you wish to use. And as another side note, screen readers, such as Google's Read and Write and Equatio screen reader, will work with the text on this website with some limitations. CEMC also provides an alternative format to the watch videos. An alternative format has been provided for the video presentations. This page is a text version of the video instruction and interactive elements. This is a great place for your own reading or to just grab content and ideas for activation questions, practice questions, and explorations to use in your own preferred lesson delivery mechanism, such as through Google Slides, forms, projected on the screen. Do you need a bit of review? With its breadth of topics, you can use this site for content review if you are a teacher new to intermediate math or just in need of a refresher. I hope you found this useful. Thank you very much for listening.